everyone. All right, so here we are, Tuesday morning. I'm finishing the morning up $28,799, and I just took my last two trades were red on MRIN in the just under $10 level. I was trying to get in for the break of 10, and it broke 10, squeezed up to a halt 1060 without me, and just hit a high of 1160. And maybe it's gonna go higher, and I'm feeling a little FOMO because I traded it and I had the right idea, but I was too early. I went red, and there's that urge to get it back, to go back in. And unfortunately, some stocks you go back in and then you get back in a little higher and you're overcompensating, so you're taking even bigger size, and then it flushes a third time, and then you're all of a sudden like, man, this is ridiculous. I can't believe this is happening. The stock is up how much on the day? 50%, and I'm the guy that's red on it. Well, sometimes that's how it is. Trading is hard. So I'll break it down in the recap today. I hope you guys enjoy it. As always, in case you didn't already know, trading is risky. Most beginner traders lose money. You should trade in a simulator before you put real money on the line. My results are not typical. My experience trading has not been typical. All right, so hope you enjoy the recap. It was a choppy day. I went red on the day, 5,000, recouped it, got green, up 28,000, was up 31, almost 32. Gave back 4 grand off the top, cutting it there, stopping, walking away, green. I'll live to trade another day. I'll be back first thing tomorrow morning, live streaming right here on YouTube. And make sure you're subscribed to the channel. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. That way you'll get the notification when I go live. All right, so with that, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you first thing tomorrow morning. All right, everyone, so I'm going to do my recap here for today. Green day, $28,799.33. But I started in the red. The first trade of the day was on CERE, and I lost 5,000 bucks. That was in the first candle right at the open, right here. My max loss in this account is 10,000. And when it did a red to green move, I took another stab on it, got back in. And in this trade right here, made $10,000 as it squeezed up right there. I got myself up 16,000 on CERE. And then I started taking a couple losses on false breakouts. I don't remember where they all were, but you can see on this, especially on the 1-minute chart, it did start to get a little choppy. Some candle wicks, upper candle wicks, where it popped up and then dipped down, popped up and dipped down. And so I was up 16,000 at my most, and I'm up 11,000 on it right now. So I gave back about a third of my profit. And at this point, I don't want to trade it anymore because my last 2 trades on it were red, and I just felt like I'm moving in the wrong direction. So that was CERE. While I was trading CERE, AAUD was halted going up right here at 820. It resumed, dipped. I bought 20,000 shares. It rips over 9 to 9.15, and I sold it for $4,000 of profit. It then pulled back, and I got back in right here, this time with 20,000, and then added another 10,000, and we got this pop right here up to a high of 930. So a little bit bigger size on this one. Locked up $8,639 of profit. Not bad. A false breakout up here. Did a dip trade down in this area and did another one down here. But those were small trades because it didn't really bounce up all that much. The thing that AUUD had that I liked was all-time highs. Blue sky setup, all-time highs with news. So a nice setup there. I had seen it pre-market, and I had said, well, it's a possibility, but it's pulled back a little bit. I'm not really sure where I'd trade it. MRIN, son of a gun. MRIN was the one that I read on $2,500. Look at that breakout. Come on, man. Isn't that always the way? Sometimes they go without you. This one, it chopped me out. It chopped me out twice. I had 2 $1,100 losers on it, which all things considered is nothing to get bent out of shape on. First one was right here, buying as it was squeezing up, stopping out. Got back in for the first 1-minute candle to make a new high. Stopped out again and said, all right, that's it. I'm done trading. I was up 31,000. I don't want to give back any more. And then there you go. Break 75, 85, $10, all the way to 1060 into a halt. Man, it's great to see. And like I said, sometimes they'll just go without you. So that's MRIN. I'm down 2,500 on that. DBGI. This one, kind of a bummer that it didn't hold up better, but a similar setup to AUUD in that it had the chance for blue sky setup all-time highs. I jumped in as it started squeezing here for the break of 7 and added into the halt going up at 7:31. It opened and on the resumption did the dip. It pops up to 750. 750, there was a big seller. I started taking profit out in the 40s and then it pulled back. I did another dip right here. It popped up a little bit, but was tricky. So 10,000 on that one. And then while this was happening, I had, so like right now I have MRIN on this level too. So I saw BSQR hit the scanner. So I pull up BSQR and then I look away and then I look back. And then I said, oh, look, looks like DBGI dipped. It's in the 60s. It was just at like 7 in the 90s. So I pressed the buy button and I took a $176 winner on BSQR and realized I was in the wrong stock and then sold it. So that was a little sloppy. And when that starts happening, that's also a good cue to slow down because I'm trading a little too fast. There was a lot of stuff moving today. It was a bit of a chasing, from CERE to DBGI to AUUD. And then we were still watching possible ORPH, which I missed pre-market. That one went completely without me. And so I felt a little scattered today, like I was trying to focus on 15 stocks at once, but I did get made a few mistakes, got a little sloppy with that one trade on BSQR, but fortunately it wasn't catastrophic. And MRIN, it just is the way it goes sometimes that they chop you out and then they rip. And that's basically what happened on CERE. I lost 5,000 on it, but I was able to get back in quickly. On MRIN, by the time I saw it, I was already starting the recap, and I don't think I even would have been able to get filled before it got halted. It just moved too fast. So that's how it goes. So that's my quick recap of trades from today. That's going to bring me up to about $330,000 of profit on the month. As always, I will reiterate that my results are not typical, that trading is risky and most beginner traders lose money. I'm going to put up my report here for calendar. So this is the month of June. So 3 red days, 37,000, 25,000, and 8,900. And then 4 green days got me back in the driver's seat, back to my high of month. 30,000 yesterday, 28,000 today will put me up almost 60,000 on the week. We've got one more day tomorrow, last day of June. Just want to finish up the month and go into July. So then we'll go into July, and then next Tuesday will be the first day of my small account challenge. Markets are closed on Monday the 5th. So we have a long weekend here, which is kind of nice. So Tuesday morning the 6th, I will be doing my small account challenge. All right, so that's where I sit right now. I guess the best day of the month was 56,000 on that day right there. That was a great day. So anyways, be nice to get another big day like that. I haven't had a 6-figure day in a while, a day of over $100,000. May was good, but I didn't have any 6-figure day. My best day in May was like 30,000. June here has been better for sure, but yeah, I'm definitely getting excited for some big green days. And today I was set up pretty well. I was being pretty aggressive, but we didn't get the parabolic momentum. If CERE had ripped from 25, 27, 28, 30, maybe we would have gotten something nice. MRIN coming up for resumption here in about 7 seconds. I'm not going to trade it, but I'll just see where it resumes. Our pre-market pivot there is at 1070. There's a break of 1070. Seller at 90. This is a dip. This would be a spot sometimes I would take a long for the rip through 11. There's a seller at 11 as well. Not surprising. A little bit of churn, a little bit of chop. People that probably got in right there might panic sell down here in the 60s. Some other people might take profit. Now we're starting to get more of a 10-second pullback. The low there flashed down to 48 and then right back up to 11, through 11, 1101, 1102, back to 88, 85. False break of the whole dollar. Chop, chop. It's been the name of the game today. If you're quick, there's some opportunity. If you're too slow, you're probably gonna miss a lot of it. So, all right, well, it's 10:30. I'm gonna be grateful to be green, and we'll be back at it first thing tomorrow morning, last day of June. All right, I'll see you guys in the morning.
And that right there was an entire video with no ads. I don't monetize my YouTube channel with video ads, which means you guys get to enjoy the content. But do me a favor, please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up and let YouTube know that this channel is the channel to watch if you want to learn about day trading.